with that sunset, we are starting new video, and welcome to it, guys. We have some firecrackers, some crackling balls, and more crackers, and we have this. Yeah. Alright, so the rain came from nowhere. I will set up this small thing and hopefully put the can on these crackers. Okay, those are fast. So let's send it a bit higher. That and this. Classic Pyro experiment. Let's do it one more time. That. Please don't follow this. Let's do it. Yeah, the sun is gone, but still have light. First day of summer. Okay, almost lost the can. Let's try crackling ball. That's it. Yeah, didn't move that much. Holy smokes. That's hot. Yeah, we have some pyro friends here that are cracking in the background. So next is triangle. Let's witness that thing. I think that can go higher because it was not really pressed well. Yeah, look at that. Let's try to back it up. Let's see what happens. Excuses, like it. Yeah, that probably didn't work. Woo! Definitely didn't work. That might be the thumbnail. Stack them up like that and send it. Alright, that was fun. I thought it would go all at once, making sure there is nothing burning on the ground, which is important. Making some progress with smoke. Let's compare this and the triangle, and then we'll do something special for the end. So first triangle. Yeah, that was bad. I need to do it again. Yeah! That should do it for the comparison. Now this thing. Yeah, I think the thinner one won. So we have a nice Illuminati here, and let's light this fuse. Hopefully it will stay in this pile. Let's do it. 3, 2, 1, go. Of course. Temptation. Here we go. That was awesome. Subscribe till next time. we created a cloud for the mosquitoes that were biting me the whole time, and I hope they enjoy it. I hope you enjoyed the video, not the smoke, and subscribe definitely. See you.
Whoa.